What up, guys? Welcome to my first YouTube video. I should have started this YouTube channel a lot longer ago because I had this whole car to build and I should have documented the whole thing, but I'm just gonna start it now. This is just gonna be a channel with all the homies, all the cars, cars I work on, people I work with, and yeah, it's just gonna be a fun time. But today I'm gonna be working on my NB1. I'm just gonna be doing a quick plug change. It's kind of breaking up and while driving in like 5th gear, so I'm gonna check that, change the oil, and then yeah, maybe check the trans oil and diff oil too, and then change that. But let's get a little startup for y'all. So if some of you guys know me, you guys know the car. It's a 99 Mazda Miata NB1. It has a BP4W head. Oh damn, it's raining a little bit. It's a BP4 head, same motor that came out of it. It's just completely built now. Still got a few things to do. Door panels, I gotta cut the gauge hood out to fit a cluster piece on the top. But other than that, she runs really good. It's still on the base map, so I can't get into boost at the moment, but it looks good on the outside, but all the magic is on the inside really. Pins would want to open. That's what we're working with here. So we got a G25 550 on there. Super Tech everything in the head. This is basically a 1.9 liter now. I'll have to do the math just to confirm it, but 264 cams, Super Tech everything in the head. ATI dampener, Manny H-beam rods, Wiseco pistons. Basically like the cream of the crop for a Miata. For the turbo setup, I'm rocking a Kraken kit, top mount manifold. It's honestly like the best flowing kit for a Miata in my opinion. Everything fit like a glove, like didn't even have to touch my frame. Down pipe fits perfectly. Turbo fitment is a little close, but I mean it works. Don't have any issues there. Kraken kit is honestly amazing though. Like came with everything other than like a few hardware bits. And then like ECU, injectors, all the supporting stuff. Intercooler, piping, couplers. Yeah, literally everything, blow off valve, lines. Pretty nice kit. All right, let's give you guys a little start. This pump's pretty loud. It's a AEM 340. Got my gauges and stuff up here. My cluster hasn't been working recently, so it just lights up and stuff, but I'll figure it out. Pump's pretty loud. Got a Volante wheel in here, some Corbros. Gotta get some door cards, but they'll be on the way soon. Idle's kind of funky right now. It's just on a base map, so feeling's kind of all over the place, but while driving it's pretty good. I mean, I haven't had any issues with it other than breaking up a little bit, but we got to get those AFRs fixed ASAP. But give you guys a little sauce. So for the past 1,000 miles, I've been running BR30, which is a break-in motor oil. I've only done 2 oil changes out of the 4 I'm supposed to do, so I'm gonna do 1 right now. I'll go drive it for another day or 2, and then I'm gonna change it to the last oil change of the BR30, and then I'm gonna switch over to 5W30 full synthetic before I go to dyno. So let's get to going. Driven racing oil, thank you. And actually, before I start the oil change, I'm gonna do spark plugs first, check those out real quick. So let's actually go to that first. I'm gonna check them out. If they are good, I'll just send them back in. But if I do see anything kind of weird, I'll change them out. It's just some NGK BK7REs, so we'll see what's up. So right now I just have a stock spark system, NGK Blues, and then NGK BK7REs. So yeah, we're just gonna pull these real quick. third and the fourth. I'm gonna clean this shit out too because there's just rocks and shit. If you guys don't have one of these, like a little metal end grabber for bolts or whatever you may need it for, perfect for these. Pull it up. This is number one. It's probably and the last one. So, like I suspected, they're all pretty black. I mean, this is just 1,000 miles of driving, but my feeling again is not the best right now. So they're pretty scorched, but I might throw these back in or just go grab a new set. I thought I had BK7 REs, but I guess there's BK6 RES. So I'll go see if they have a BK7 and go from there. I decided just to throw the plugs back in there. I'm not going to be driving it much longer untuned. So I'm just going to leave it there. I'm going to get the car up in the air and then change the oil. Gotta have the bricks or wood on deck. Always. Just like a Alright, I got the car on all fours. I'm gonna change the oil first, and then I'm just gonna check everything under. I've been feeling like a little rotating movement while I drive. I don't even know. It feels like a rotating part, so I'm gonna check my drive shaft and make sure everything that's moving on the backside is tight, and then I'm just gonna go from there. But let's get it. Also, I just wanted to show you guys this because I love these taillights and these lights. I just need to fix the cluster. I don't know why it's not working, but I love the lights here. But back here, whoo, god damn. I don't know if I can cuss in YouTube videos, but I'm going to. I don't really care. Like, look at those things, dude. And then the sequentials. Damn. Yeah, they're so good. Definitely worth it if you're gonna buy a pair. I don't know how many Miata people are watching, but hopefully a good amount. Everywhere. Still pretty clean, but yeah, this is the underside of the whip. Trans looks pretty good. Not wet at all. Back here, solid, nothing leaking there. Just gotta check a few things and go from there. Here. So the drain pan bolt's 14. I gotta turn this down so I don't get copyrighted. But pretty easy to do an oil change on a Miata. Your filter's here. I have an adapter plate for sensors and then oil temp and stuff. So I basically just unthread it, throw one new one on. But it's just modified a little bit. Here's your drain bolt though. It's a 14. Sneaky. Too tight. Yep. And let's see how lucky we get. Alright, well, I lost storage on my phone, so I had to upgrade it real quick, but I got the bolt out. It's just a 14. The oil was pretty clean. Got a new gasket on there. Just gonna wipe that off. Hit that with some brake cleaner in a second, but thread this back in, tighten it up by hand. Don't impact this shit, don't be stupid. The worst part about oil changes on these cars is like the placement of the oil filter. It's like right behind the alternator, and there used to be like a bracket down here. I'll show you in a second. But it's kind of retarded. Oil just goes everywhere. So I just get a red Solo cup, and then I just set it down, twist it off, and then go from there. And you know, always keep them on deck. It's just down there. It's not too bad, but there used to be a bracket and it bolted in right there. But didn't need it, so took it out. I'm just gonna set this here. So this is like the second oil change on the built motor. It's just coming out of the filter, and it looks pretty good to me, to be honest. So I'm happy with that. I mean, I built this thing in my garage. Yeah, it looks freaking good. Got the beer 30. 4 quarts.
Yo, neck tattoos, the praying hands couldn't help me, but I still smile for they selfie. Yo, we don't do anything. You wanna go from there? I just wanna let them know something. I just wanna let.
Alright, that's all done. I want to get a new one of these. This is like it's the original one, so it doesn't look cool, but it works. So oil change is done. Spark plugs are done. I checked everything else. All the oil looks really good, so gotta start her up real quick for y'all. But with the turbo, it's honestly quieted down quite a bit. When it was NA, I had the same exhaust setup as I have now. It's just a full 3-inch with the downpipe now as well. I had 4-to-1 headers, so it sounded like shit, to be honest with you, but it sounds crazy with the turbo now. Wide angle for the YouTube. I'm getting the car back on the ground now, so gotta keep that brick under the left wheel for the control arm. Cause a little car life. Oh my god, that sounds crazy. I know y'all like the flips though. Bitches are so comfy. So honestly, I didn't even do much. Everything looked really good. Oil looked good. I'm actually just gonna do the trans stuff later before I go to dyno, because I have to do one more oil change before this. Before that, my bad. But yeah, literally just gonna go drive it. I'm gonna get you guys some sound clips, but I gotta go drop off oil and get some groceries. But this is the daily driver. It's the only thing I can give you guys at the moment because I don't have a phone mount. So yeah, 1 second, got some cars. Stop and get groceries first, but I'm gonna get more sound clips on the way home. But you ain't a car guy if you don't stop and stare at the whip while you walk away. Feel me? It started raining, so I had to come home really quick because I don't have a guard or anything on my turbo. Like a filter, not a guard, my bad. I have a turbo guard, but not a filter. But yeah, I had to get it home because I cannot be out in water, especially with the vented hood. Not good. So let it burn off all the shit. I'm just gonna put some more sound clips, like just in the video real quick, so you guys can actually like hear it more. Super fun. I'm gonna make more videos, but I'm gonna end it here. So thanks for tuning in. If you guys have any questions, I'll answer them in the next video. But yeah, y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching. I know it ain't much, but look forward to making more.